Alrighty, today we have dug a 200-yard trench, about 2.5 feet deep, for electricity for the yurt. We've used 2 excavators. We're looking at buying one for the camp, so we did a comparison. But here we go. We're gonna see how this goes. Alright, so that's the power box. That's 200 yards worth of piping and electrical. That was the closest telephone pole. So that's gonna become basically the powerhouse for the yurt, for the canteen and the gift shop. It's taking 2 excavators, a tractor. It's pretty cool. We're not gonna use this one. I think we're gonna buy the John Deere over the Bobcat. This one has a lot of hydraulic issues and couldn't dig worth a crap. So, but yeah, check it out, y'all. It is looking good.
I'm gonna go dig out a little bit more in the other end.
Now, are we feeding the wires through as we go?
We'll do it. We'll do that later.
Okay.
Tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow when it's dry. We'll just use a vacuum.
Now that goes in pretty deep.
Yeah, it goes up. Yeah, it's going in like 3 inches.
Okay. I just wonder if you should put it in more in the middle because I'm pushing it in.
Nope.
No?
No, it's sealing up. It's a solvent weld. It actually will melt a little joint. There's a little gasket once you get it in.
Yeah.
That makes the 2 pieces one basically. It melts it instead of actually being cement.
See how the process is going here. We're going to be burying this line now, 200 yards. Billy's on the tractor. I'm on the Bobcat excavator. John's on the John Deere. It's going down. here?
No, let's bring it to the parking lot.
Okay.
And then close the windows,
Yeah.
shut the door, and we'll put the key in my office.
So for 2,000 more.
And you get a cab, which that's going to make it last a lot longer.
Oh yeah, the AC, the unit.
So, go to put it in the parking lot, close the windows, lock the door, and we'll throw the keys in my office.
Okie dokie, that was a full day's worth of work. One thing y'all haven't seen was this was our burn pile. Basically from here to about where the John Deere is, all the way up to the horse corral and over here. This was, I'm talking about this tall above my head with trees and brush and everything we've been cutting this season. And so yesterday, I had 3 fires going, about 12-foot tall flames. And we are managing this, of course, and it's been very rainy. It's gonna rain for the next 2 days. But just to give you an idea, this has been going for about 2 or 3 days, and we've slowly pushed it all in. And so now we have a cleared out section. So, work camp life, yurt life. It's pretty fun. So y'all check it out. Hope you're enjoying this. This is a little you know, new stuff for the channel, a little variety for the channel. You're gonna see a lot of tiny living. We have a lot of cool surprises coming up here soon, but I hope you're enjoying seeing the process of building a yurt and still living the full-time RV life at a summer camp and just our day-to-day lives. But anyhow, good night. Get your hot chocolate out. It's fall time. It's bonfire time. Y'all have a good one. Enjoying the road.